How are you today?
We are fine now.
Alright, I'll be teaching you something interesting today to practice with throughout your holiday. You are becoming big boys and big girls, right?
Yes.
So you're moving higher. I will be teaching you the AKE
Family.
The AKE
Family.
AKE sounds. AKE sounds. AKE sounds. AKE sounds. Good children. So I'll be adding all the sounds to egg to make a new word. You're going to blend it together. When we sound it, you're going to blend it together. Miriam, you're not looking at me. Letter B sounds and AKE sounds. AKE sounds. Now let's blend it. Bake. 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 Letter C sounds. AKE sounds. Now let's blend it. Cake. Again. Again. You are not looking at the board. Raise your head. Cake. Cake. When I have to egg, it becomes take. When I have egg, it becomes take. 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 When I have to egg, it becomes make. Good children. Blending is very easy, right? Yes. When I have to egg, it becomes make. When I have to egg, it becomes make. Hurry up, get your heads up. When I have to egg, it becomes again. Again. When I add to egg, it becomes break. Miriam, look at me. When I have to egg, it becomes break. When I have to egg, it becomes wake. It becomes wake. Ah, you're interesting. When I have shh, you will soon know why SH sounds shh. But for now, let's call our SH shh. When I have shh to egg, it becomes shake. When I have shh to egg, it becomes egg. When it becomes, you can see. I can't hear you. It becomes snake. And egg will become snake. For your best people. And egg will become snake. And egg will become snake. For your friend, you're not talking. Sister, you are not talking. And egg will become break. And egg will become break. Good children. And egg will become snake. And egg will become snake. Open your mouth. And egg will become snake. And egg will become quack. Cool. And egg will give us drr. And egg will give us drr. And egg will give us drink. Say drink. Drink. You are saying drink. I didn't say drink. Let the D sound D. Let the R sound R. Just something that I don't know how to pronounce R. Now D and R will give us dr. Up. And A will give us drink. Say drink. Drink. Alright, you're going to read the simple passage. You read after Peter. You read after me. Good children. Jake and Kate. I can't hear you. Jake and Kate went to the lake one day. Jake and Kate went to the lake one day. Jake said, okay, and Kate will take a cake with bread. Jake baked a cake, and Kate will take the big cake with them. At the lake, they saw a little snake. At the lake, they saw a little snake. At lake, they saw a little snake. Jake and Kate did not shake. Jake and Kate did not shake with fear. But the worst is go. But the worst is go. They ate their cake and played. They ate their cake and played. Good children. Roll it up for yourself. Roll it up. Let it go. Myself, Kiki. See you next time.
Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Drive Fix Van round the village, drive Fix Van round the village, drive Fix Van round the village.
Ooh.
I see the clouds moving, ooh, I see the kites flying, ooh, I see the trees bending, ooh, the wind is blowing strong.
X.
Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray off my hand.
Yeah.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah.
Z.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like